This is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're at another leaking tile deck. We have two fixed windows, a slider. We have another slider. This is about 10, 15, 10, 15, 18, so it's called 10 by 20. We've got stucco walls. Looks like you've got good clearance there. We have a drain in the middle there. Looks like there's decent slope. We've got natural slate here, which is a problem because it absorbs water. Then it transitions. Looks like we have a high crown point here, which is good. It looks like the slope is pretty good draining from here. This window is okay. It's up high enough. That window over there is probably going to have to get pulled. This door has to be pulled here. And on this, we've got about 5, 6, 7. I got about 10, 15, 18. So I'm going to say 17 to 21. And the projection on this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's a quick view of what's going on here with this deck.